Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome to the HGLRC channel for the draw of my giveaway of this awesome quadcopter, the HGLRC XJB-145. A very nice quadcopter. I'm already envious of the winner. And yes, I do have one on order myself, but well, it isn't in yet. Woohoo! Yeah, okay, I'm sure it'll turn up in a few days. I want to start by thanking my Patreon supporters. Thank you very much for your support, of course. I very much appreciate it. And that will enable me to do more giveaways maybe in the future. If you also want to support my channel, there's a link up there and in the description down below to my Patreon page. Thank you very much in advance, and again, that'll enable me to do more giveaways in the future. Okay, so let's go to a random picker. Let's not waste any more of your time. And yeah, this is a bit of a funny, I kept drawing myself. Yeah, remind me to not reply to comments in a giveaway again. That doesn't really work. Okay, so after a lot of clicking, here is our lucky winner. Yeah, Space Cowboy. Congratulations. I've had a couple of comments from you in the last months. So thank you very much for your support, and you are our lucky winner today. Oh, and wait, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's have a looky what your YouTube page looks like. Should have a comment from you. Ah yeah, Space Cowboy, a comment from you. Let's have a look at your... And from the looks of it, you are not... Okay, you don't have videos of your own. That's fine, of course. And it looks like you are into quadcopters. What are your subscriptions? Oops, should click here. Okay, yeah, you are definitely into RC. And Daya Raw, yay, thank you very much. And yeah, alright. You are subscribed. Okay, great. Well, that solves that puzzle, and let's see if I can message you about... Yeah, I can send you a private message. Okay, great. Okay, so I'll send you a private message and get your address. And where are you at? I can't see. I don't know where you live. I hope you don't live on the other side of the planet. But anyway, you've got a very nice quadcopter coming your way. Thank you very much. And for the others, I think this is still a very nice quadcopter to just order. I've ordered one myself as well. Well, two by now. Very capable quadcopter. Once I've got mine in, I'll do more videos on this HGLRC quadcopter coming up in the near future. Thank you very much for your subscription and your support, of course. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.